In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to trade directly on TradingView using an OANDA account. This process not only streamlines your trading workflow, but also provides you with access to a wide range of advanced charting tools and real-time updates, all in one place. Whether you're new to trading or looking to enhance your existing strategies, this guide will help you leverage the best of both platforms effortlessly. Before diving into the trading process, the first step is ensuring you have the necessary accounts. If you haven't already done so, sign up for a TradingView account. TradingView offers both free and paid options, so choose the one that best suits your needs. Next, you'll need an active OANDA trading account. It can be either a live account for real trading or a demo account if you're just looking to practice. Once your accounts are set up, it's time to link them on TradingView. Start by logging into your TradingView account. From the platform, navigate to the OANDA broker page. Here you'll see a trade button or similar prompt, which you need to click to initiate the connection process. A pop-up window will then appear, prompting you to enter your OANDA account credentials. This step is crucial as it authorizes access and creates a seamless link between the two platforms. Simply sign in to complete the connection, and you're ready to trade. With your accounts linked, you can now start trading. On TradingView, select the financial instrument you wish to trade on the chart. You have several options on how to proceed with placing an order. You can right-click directly on the chart and select Trade or Create New Order, whichever you're more comfortable with. In the order ticket window that appears, define your order type. You've got choices like market, limit, or stop orders. Also set the number of units you wish to trade and determine your stop loss or take profit levels to manage your risk effectively. Once you have everything set up to your satisfaction, click Buy or Sell to execute your trade. The fantastic news is that your orders will be executed through your OANDA account, and you'll see instant reflections of these trades on both TradingView and OANDA platforms. Trading from TradingView with your OANDA account offers some key benefits. Firstly, it creates a streamlined workflow where you can conduct detailed chart analysis and execute trades without constantly switching between platforms. You'll have enhanced control over your positions. You can easily manage them, adjust stop loss and take profit levels directly on the chart by dragging them, and witness real-time updates in the terminal. Plus, with TradingView's comprehensive charting suite, you have access to a variety of indicators and drawing tools, which can significantly aid your decision-making process. And there you have it, a straightforward guide to trading on TradingView with OANDA. Follow these steps, take advantage of the tools available, and elevate your trading experience today.